I'm going to paste these into Excel, and you'll see why in a moment here. Paste special. We'll just say text. All right, so we have our design prompts in an Excel file. Now you want to take out the spaces in between these, right? So I'm going to take out the spaces, and you'll need to do that because of the Midjourney bot. You'll have to remove the spaces so that each time there's a prompt for each one of these games. So it'll have a total of 5 prompts, not more than that, right? So I'm going to take out. All right, so I'm going to click find. I'm going to replace that. Find, let's say, Control J. Replace with nothing. All right, so replace all. Made 30 replacements. All right, so basically it took out the paragraph breaks in each of these design prompt descriptions. All right, now I'm going to copy this. I'm going to copy this file, and I'm going to copy it to a notepad because this Midjourney bot, it requires a notepad. I'm just going to paste it in there, right? And I'm going to say file save. The experiment, save. All right, so that's my file, games, and there's my design prompts, okay? I'm going to close that out. I'm going to go back to this Midjourney bot. I'm going to browse for that file that we just created. Let's see. I think it was under AI, games. All right, there we go. I loaded that file in there. I'm going to browse for an output folder. It's going to be right here. All right, so we got games. Yep, perfect. And then we're going to just click submit. And then it's going to open up a new Discord channel, and it's going to actually start to create these images. Now, it might take a moment to load up and do this, so just give me a minute, but I'm going to recap kind of what I've done here. So using GPT for Work, this tool right here, I've created a spreadsheet in Google Sheets, and I've automatically now using ChatGPT created 5 game concepts. I've created 5 game names. I've created 5 game descriptions, and I have created 5 gaming design prompts for those descriptions. Okay. Now I'm going to go into Midjourney, the Midjourney automation bot, and I am going to create images for these new gaming concepts that I have created. All right. And then you'll see exactly how that works with the output. And then you can actually load this content. All the content you see here, you can load that actually into a website and create a website very, very easily with tons of content literally on the fly by just using tools like this. All right. So, all right, I got my Midjourney bot open. Let's go start the program. You click onto the channel here. Okay, you click onto this channel. Where we go here. All right, so we have our Midjourney bot open. I've typed in start, and it has initiated the program. You can see right here, it's initiated the bot. And now we just wait. So now we're going to wait a few minutes, and we're going to actually wait till it creates the images for this game concept that we just created here. So while that's going, this can be used for really so many different applications. All right. I mean, literally within this 10-minute video, I've created 5 game concepts. I've created the names of 5 different board games. I've created the descriptions on 5 different board games. And now I'm going to create 5 different images multiple images for these different gaming concepts that I've created. All right. Now you could do this for more than just gaming concepts. I just use simple board games as an example to show you what I'm talking about. You could do this for anything. You can create ideas for literally anything. You could say cars, or you can say cats. You can say whatever it is you want to create a website for. You can use these tools to actually create the content for that website automatically with one person. You don't need a designer. You don't need a web developer. You don't need a content writer. You could literally do this all with AI. And at a later video, I'm going to show you how to actually put this together in a fully functioning website, so you can see the power of how this actually works. All right. So let me go back to my Midjourney bot. Let's see if it's actually created anything here. Let's see if it's created an image. It looks like it's still loading, but give it just a moment. And it will actually do this here in a few minutes here. All right. All right, so while this is loading, I want to jump back in and show you a little bit more about this tool. All right, so this is the Midjourney automation bot that I was talking about. You would need to buy this for $30, right? And it's very easy to set up and implement. There's a really great guide that it comes with. It even says, say goodbye to tedious image processing, introducing automation bot for Midjourney AI image generation. batch prompt processing, auto image download, privacy mode, so forth and so on, right? And it says load countless prompts into a text file and execute them all on the go. Effortlessly auto download generated images to your computer. ChatGPT integration for endless prompt creativity. So you can actually have ChatGPT do the prompting for you as well. Preserve crucial prompt details in the CSV file. So after all these images are created, you actually get an output file of the different prompts that were generated if you do the automatic one, right? And there are ways that you could do automatic, prompting where you don't need to use a spreadsheet. You could just have ChatGPT or the tool itself generate these prompts based on a suffix or a prefix, or using ChatGPT so that you can create kind of very creative or even random images as you want. All right. So that's one of the tools. Very important that you get this. And then the next tool is GPT for Work. Okay. This one is free to install, but you do need to either have an API key for ChatGPT, or you need to buy credits through the platform itself to generate the content in the spreadsheets as you're seeing here. It's very easy to set up. So not a big deal. And it's actually quite inexpensive as well. All right, so let me see what's going on. Oh, there's my first design prompt. It has come through. You can see here that fed in design prompt, Pet Park Tycoon, board game concept, visualization, objective, create a visually engaging and vibrant design concept for the board game Pet Park Tycoon that encapsulates